The mortgage payments to me. The furnishings, color TV and piano, to Barbara. The monthly payments to me. The uranium in our uranium mine, to Barbara.
Uranium mine.
And the shaft.
We already watched that one. Look for another.
How about this one?
What does it say on it?
It says June 12th, 1972.
We ain't got nothing better to do. Let's watch it.
We shoot the sick, the young, the lame. We do our best to kill and maim because the kills all count the same.
This message is being broadcasted to you by the USTF organization. On June 12, 1972, an estimated 53% of the world's population has been converted or killed by the invaders.
We here at the USTF are calling upon you to help fight. We are asking you to give your life so that we can pave a new road for humanity. So that the new generations long after us will not have to go through this. So that the new generations can
worrying about everything. I'm going as far as to demonize the ones that sacrificed everything so they could live comfortably. The new generations will never understand. So join us. Walk into the light with us. We will colonize the stars together as one ultimate race that will rule all. Join us.
This message will now relay instructions that will help you. Make makeshift weapons such as spears made out of knives, duct tape, and a broomstick. Any blunt objects such as baseball bats, shovels, hammers, wooden fence boards. If you are in possession of any firearms, use them. Make every bullet count. If at all possible, do not go outside during the night. If it is an absolute, wear welder goggles or a welder mask. These have been proven to stop the conversion process and will allow you to freely roam the outside at night. Be wary of the ovalish objects that fly around at night. They can sense movement, so stay absolutely still when one is near. Avoid contact with the possessed. They have been corrupted and their free will has been stripped of them. Possessed die as easily as any human, so aim for the head. Do not hesitate, they are no longer people. Avoid mirrors at all costs. Mirrors are a gateway for the invaders to get in and out of your house. If possible, break mirrors from a distance. Breaking mirrors from 4 feet or less will result in your untimely demise. No matter what ethnicity, sex, religion, culture, or tradition, we need you all to stand and help fight. Not for yourself, but for your race, the human race. This is our world, not theirs. Stand with us.
This message will repeat until we have one or until there is no one else to listen to it.
I wonder what that was all about.
Maybe Grandpa's stories weren't crazy after all.
Come on now. We all knew he was crazy.
I know, but it all kind of makes sense now. The government conspiracies, people forgetting, hell, even Grandpa being taken away.
I guess. But Grandpa got taken away for his Alzheimer's.
Maybe that's what they want us to think.
I wonder who that could be at this time.